How to verify LinkedIn account with passport. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your LinkedIn application. Then tap on your profile, go to view profile, then tap on verify now. Then go to verify with persona. After that, simply check these boxes and go to accept. Now you will have to put up your information. First your government ID, then go to yes I continue, and now simply select passport, then go to upload and upload your picture of your passport and simply follow all the steps and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.